Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode on these Sony headphones. So first of all, we have to focus on the right headphone, where you'll find these buttons and also the indicator. It's located next to the USB-C input. So we have to focus on this power button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator right here starts blinking. So click and hold and take a look on the indicator. At the first they will turn on, and after that you'll hear the voice notification that the Bluetooth is pairing, and this notification LED will blink like that. So right now, as you can see, our WH-C510 pop on the list, and we can just simply tap on them once and then pair with our device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.